So, how can you do this problem in 30 seconds or less? The price of a sandwich was raised from 6.25 to 6.75. What was the percent increase? So we have 6.75 minus 6.25 over 6.25, which is essentially just 50 over 625. Divide this by 5, 10 over 125. Divide by 5 again, that's 2 out of 25. Multiply by 4, that's 8 over 100. And the answer is B. How was I able to do this problem so fast? So we're talking about percent increase yet again. 2 problems ago, we spoke about the same thing. So you can watch, I think, problem number 95. Asking, actually, it's right there. It's on the left side. All right, so let me just go over the percent increase or decrease one more time. So percent increase or decrease is simple, final, minus initial over initial. Now, you can skip lots of steps while solving these problems if you know the formula really well, right? So now, what is our final? This is the final. That's where you got to. This is the final. Now, initial, that's where it all started from. That's 6.25. That's initial. All right. So let's just plug it in. So 6.75 minus 6.25 over 6.25. Okay. Now, the top is just... Now, if it's difficult for you, right, think about this. $6.75, like turn it into money. Well, which is already in dollars, right? $6.75 minus $6.25. How much? 50 cents. 50 cents, 0.5 or 0.50 over 6.25. Now, here's the thing. You have 2 decimal places here, 2 decimal places here. Remove the decimal point altogether. That's the whole point. You get 50 over 625. If you can solve this fraction, turn this into a decimal, turn this into percentage, you golden, you got it, right? So how to do this? Change color. So if you divide both top and bottom by 5, you get 10. If you divide 625 by 5, you get 125. How do I know this so fast? If you join our Discord community, there's an extended or extensive or whatever, expanded timetable, including exponents. You will know that 5 to the first power is 5, 5 to the second power is 25, 5 to the third power is 125, and 5 to the fourth power is 625. So you think it's too complicated, it's complicated today. You memorize this, you do this for a little bit, and the rest of the exponent table, you'll know this as your 5 fingers. So when you divide 625 by 5, you literally get back to 125. So you know this off the top of your head. All right, so now 10 over 125. Now let's keep dividing this by another 5, right? So boom, that's 2. Divide this by 5, that's 25. How do I know it's so fast? Because again, we go back here, see? Going back to 100, from 125 to 25. All these tricks. All right, so now this is 2 over 25. Now, from here on, we need to turn the bottom into 100. How? Multiply both top and bottom by 4, because this will turn into 100. So this is 8 on top. On the bottom, we have 100, so therefore that's 0.08. 0.08 is the same thing as 8%. The answer is B. That's it.